Yeah, so comfort's a massive thing. Obviously the previous brands we had, we thought they were all right, but they're absolutely incredible. The ride, the front suspension's super smooth.
Oh, I love this cab. I love the T-Series cab. It's brilliant. I definitely, very impressed with the gearbox and how smooth it is. Very good travelling. Lovely cab, very quiet. So yeah, just what we were looking for really.
Yeah, spot on. Yeah, nice and comfy, smooth, easy to use. Yeah, brilliant tractor.
The tractors are very comfortable. They do ride very well. The air suspension in them is brilliant, and the cab suspension is brilliant as well. Compared to some of the other tractors I've driven, they do float very nicely across paddocks. And yeah, you don't often get out of the cab at the end of the day and feel like you're worn out.
Look at your turning circle for a 300 horsepower tractor. That's what we want. You know what it is? It's just, yeah, look at that. The manoeuvrability, the visibility, everything's just perfect. Just properly finished once again by the finish.
It's got a nice slim bonnet, so you got good visibility in you.
So yeah, we've been impressed with the tractor being built in Finland to put up with cold climates over there and then come over here and face dust and heat. Well, yeah, it's done a great job on two harsh climates, so to speak. Also like the efficiency, the fuel economy. We've noticed their fuel consumption being, yeah, really up there with the best of it, and reliability. Yeah, that's coming to its own. Yeah, so the smart touch screen, it's really easy. It really is as easy as using a smartphone. Just program all your implements into the touch screen, the spreader, the sprayer. Just log in there and swipe across and activate what implement you're using, and all your settings are there with your spray width and your spreader width and all those sort of things. So yeah, that's incredible.
Two of our Valtras are connected to Valtra Connect, which allows the workshop in Colac to figure out what's going on with the tractor before we even ring him.
And Valtra's actually been with me probably, quite close to 26 years. I've had Valtras, our first, we hired an 8150, and the service and the quality, I think, has been one of the things that's kept me with it, for that 26 years.
They've bent over backwards in every situation. Even minor ones can hold you up, and the fact that they'll bend over backwards and help you. He's made a massive decision to go with them from the start. Just the fact that their backup service and everything else that goes with it's been A1.
On their products, their customer service, they're sort of very customer focused on what we think about our tractors and what we require from a tractor, and we're all very sort of listening to what the customer needs so they can choose their direction and how they're going in forward, I suppose, in the future. So it's really good to see.
Valtra were, exceptional in my opinion, because the backup we're getting from both Chandler's and from Valtra is second to none. It's just a pleasure to work with both Valtra and with Chandler's, and that's what it's all about. It's like teamwork, and I just feel as though we're part of the team.
Moving forward, it's we'll certainly be continue buying Valtra tractors, and they just make life easy. Very reliable machines, and yeah, I know my son loves them, so we won't be buying anything else. So.